1811 4000। यही कंज्यूमर हेल्पलाइन।
जागो ग्राहक जागो।
Convenience. That was all Sunny Bhatia had for, but soon after getting a credit card in his mother's name, he realized convenience was nowhere a part of the deal. The very first statement had an insurance charge Sunny had never agreed to. Then came a bill for rupees 1400 he had never shopped for. As if this wasn't enough, collection agents started threatening his mother as the card was in her name.
लैंग्वेज बहुत गंदी होती थी, बहुत गालियां दे के बात करते थे। जैसे मॉम के नाम से कार्ड है तो मेरे से तो बात ही नहीं करते थे। मॉम से बात करते थे तो उन्हें बहुत बुरी तरह बोलते थे, लोगों को डराते थे, धमकाते थे कि हम आपके घर गनमैन भेज देंगे।
Fed up, Sunny headed to National Consumer Court. The bank accepted its mistake, withdrew the charges and stopped the card. And now, to his utter shock, Sunny has received a statement for ₹100 without possessing a card. Those working in the field of consumer redressal reveal that maximum complaints coming from the banking sector relate to credit cards.
कस्टमर को सबसे पहले तो जाके पुलिस स्टेशन में कंप्लेंट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन दो तरह का आता है कि आपने पेमेंट देना है या नहीं देना। इवन अगर आपने देना भी है तो थ्रेटनिंग कॉल्स आपको अलाउड नहीं है।
The number of credit card users in India has grown 10 times over the last 5 years. The world over, credit card interest rates are the highest in India. RBI itself has stepped in to tone down the same.
To be able to shop when you're really not carrying any money, also the freedom to shop when you really have no money. This is all the freedom that this plastic money gets along. But believe me, there's more you can draw out of it, provided you follow some basic tips.
Before you sign any document, make sure you go through each and every word. What's crucial often lies between the lines. Nothing comes for free. Every card carries with it hidden charges like insurance. Make sure you know your interest rate and how will it be calculated. How much will you have to pay in case you want your card terminated? And foremost, use your credit card only if you have no option. What you need to remember at all times is that your credit card was meant to be a money tool and not a supplement to your money.
Well, that's all on Value for Money this week. Tell us what you thought, and if you have any queries, write to us at valueformoney@ndeep.com. From the entire team, thank you very much for watching. Join us again, same time, same place next week.